Maayong buntag, bestie. Do you miss me? Today, we're doing a mukbang Cebu edition. But while we eat, I'll show you how Cebuanos communicate in daily life, especially the greetings, expression, and politeness. Oh, hello, kinsa ni?
Maayong adlaw, sir. Your food is here.
Okay ra, sir. Please wait. Mo na ogra ko. How much, sir?
250 lang, sir.
Ay, naku. Wala pala akong cash. Pasaylo ako, sir. Pwedeng card? Did you notice that even a short conversation, Cebuanos use polite words like sir, pasaylo and okay ra? In Cebuano culture, communication is usually friendly, respectful, and indirect. Instead of sounding angry, people often soften their words. For example, okay ra means it's fine. Pasaylo ako means I'm sorry. And maayong buntag is good morning. These simple phrases help build good relationship, especially in workplaces. Now, let me share a little more about Cebu culture and language. In Cebu, communication is not only about the words you say, but how you say them. Cebuanos are known for being warm, respectful, and easy to talk to, especially with visitors or coworkers. The Cebuano language, also called Bisaya, is commonly used in daily conversations, at home, in markets, and even at work. However, many Cebuanos can easily switch between English, Filipino, and Cebuano, depending on who they are talking to. Nonverbal communication is also very noticeable in Cebu. Smiling, nodding, raising eyebrows, and relaxed hand gesture are commonly used to express understanding or agreement. These small actions help avoid conflict and make conversations more comfortable. Overall, understanding Cebu's communication style can help someone adapt easily, build good relationships, and feel more welcome when working or living in the area. So if you ever work in Cebu, knowing a little Bisaya can help you connect better with people. Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw. Bye, besties!